Here is how to create an account on FPL. So go ahead and launch your FPL application on your device. Make sure that it's updated to its latest version and then select the MyPL settings from the bottom of the screen. Then click on join or sign in. If you already have an account, you can click on sign in and then enter your email address and account password and click on sign in. But in the case if you do not have one, go ahead and switch to the join MyPL tab. Enter the email address that you want to associate with your FPL account. Once done, click on join with email and then scroll down, enter the password. You can also go ahead and enable the two-factor authentication, select click here option and follow the on-screen instructions. Now you need to enter your first name, then enter your last name, then enter the date of birth, then select your gender, also select the country of residence, then select your nationality, which is optional. You can also go ahead and enter your phone number as well, which is also optional, and select your communication language preference. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions and click on create an account option. Now, FPL will send a verification code to your specific email that you just entered to associate with their account. Go ahead and enter this code right here, click on continue, and your new account will be created on FPL. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.